Marcus Aurelius was the most powerful man on earth, but the person who shaped him most never wrote a single philosophy book. His name was Antoninus Pius, adoptive father, emperor before Marcus. For 23 years, Marcus watched him govern an empire without raising his voice, without rushing a decision, without once boasting about what he had done. In the Meditations, Marcus writes about him longer than anyone else. Not a teacher, not a text, a man, witnessed up close, day after day, year after year. This is what most people miss about Marcus Aurelius. He did not find stoicism in a library. He found it in a person, in the quiet weight of watching someone live with dignity when dignity was hard. And then he spent the rest of his life trying to become that image, carrying it inside him like a lamp in a dark room. Philosophy, for him, was never an idea first. It was always a person first. The question is this: who are you watching? And are they worth becoming?